We'll guide you through how to use Wink football edits. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to create cinematic football edits using Wink for social media or personal projects. It helps them enhance visuals with overlays, effects, and smooth styling. To begin this tutorial, open Wink on your mobile device. Once the app is open, click New Project to start creating a new video project where you will edit and enhance your clip. After that, choose the video you want to use from your device, for example similar to the video, so you can work with the correct file. Then click Start to import the selected video into the timeline and continue to the editing interface. Next, click the Edit menu to access the available editing tools. After opening the Edit menu, swipe to the right to explore more options within the editing panel. From the available tools, select Overlay to begin adding an overlay effect to your video. Then choose the overlay you want to use, for example a white and black gradient, to create a dark gradient effect at the bottom area of your video for a more cinematic look. After selecting the overlay, tap Blend to adjust how the overlay interacts with the original video. Choose the blend mode you want to use, for example Overlay, so the effect blends naturally with the footage. If needed, adjust the opacity according to your needs to control the intensity of the overlay effect and achieve the desired visual result. Once you are satisfied with the settings, click the checkmark icon to confirm the changes. Next, adjust the overlay duration to match the video duration so the effect is applied consistently throughout the entire clip. After adjusting the duration, click the checkmark icon again to apply the changes. Then go to Effect to add additional visual enhancements to your video. In the Retro Effects section, for example choose Black Noise to add a subtle texture that enhances the overall aesthetic. After selecting the effect, click the checkmark icon to confirm. Adjust the effect duration to match the video duration so the effect remains visible for the entire clip. Once done, click the play button to preview the result and ensure that all effects and overlays are applied smoothly and consistently.